WireGuard is an extremely simple yet fast and modern VPN. It aims to be more useful than IPSec and considerably more performant than OpenVPN. And I will show you how to install WireGuard using Home Assistant in a ridiculously easy way. I don't know if you ever tried to configure OpenVPN or IPSec VPNs before. The IPSec took me literally several days to make it work. And it was no fun at all. WireGuard, on the other hand, intends to be as easy as deploying an SSH server. A VPN connection is made simply by exchanging keys, exactly like exchanging SSH keys, and all the rest is transparently handled by WireGuard. To make WireGuard VPN to work in your smart home, you need Home Assistant, access to your router, and at least one client running Windows, macOS, iOS or Android. Now, let's go! Go to Supervisor and then click on Add-on Store and search for WireGuard. Here it is. I'll open the documentation as well as this add-on documentation and I'll click Install. From the official web page, which is wireguard.com, you can go to Installation and you can find your operating system here and download the client. In my case, I will download the macOS version. You may wonder what exactly WireGuard is. WireGuard is a secure network tunnel operating as a layer 3, implemented as a kernel virtual network interface for Linux, which aims to replace both IPSec for most use cases, as well as popular solutions like OpenVPN. I'll click Open and then I'll go back to see what's happened with the installation. It is finished. Before I start the WireGuard VPN, I have to make some configurations, and the first one is here. On this place, you have to type, for the host configuration option, you have to type your real IP address or your dynamic DNS. I strongly recommend duckdns.org if you don't have one. Or even you can type hasio.local to test this locally. I'll type my duckdns.org web address. This is the address of the server and this is the IP address of the connected clients. Here you can change the name if you wish. This is interesting part. If you have AdGuard, you can block ads by typing the IP of the host where the AdGuard is installed. You can make WireGuard to work with AdGuard, so you have no ads even when you are connected to your home via VPN. To make this work, you simply have to put the IP address of the AdGuard in the WireGuard configuration as a DNS server. If you followed my instructions in my AdGuard video, you can directly type this IP address right here. I'll copy this and I'll paste it under the DNS option. If I wish to add another peer or client, I can copy and paste this, and I have to change this a bit. This will be my phone, and the IP address of my phone will be the same but with 3. I think that's it. This is optional. You can skip this if you don't have AdGuard. Everything else is pretty much mandatory. I'll click Save. I can now click Start and then I'll go to the log section and I'll click Refresh to see if everything is okay. There are no errors except this warning. I think it's because I'm running Home Assistant inside Docker container. And currently my implementation is using the slow user space. In your case, probably this warning will be missing.
Hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now let's continue.
Now we have to forward this port in our router, and I'll quickly show you this. I'll open my web interface, I'll click refresh and I'll log in again. Then I have to create a new rule here.
WireGuard needs one open UDP port and a smashed like button to work. So you have to forward an UDP port in your router to your home assistant IP. I will show you how you can do this in MikroTik router, but you have to find a way for yours because no router web interface is made equal.
Remember, this will be probably different in your web interface, but the idea is the same. Okay, the rule is ready. I'll quickly explain you. In order to match this in your router, you have to open an UDP port. Be careful here, not TCP. Now where it is, not this one. You have to open UDP port, and this is the port that you have to open. And in my case, I will forward this port on my router to this internal IP, which is actually the host where the home assistant and respectively WireGuard is installed, to the same port. That's all. You have to find this option in your router and to match these settings somehow. If you have MikroTik router, you can exactly copy this, but if you have other kind of router, you have to check your manual, your community, or you can ask Google. That's it. I'll click apply, and I'll have the new rule now. Here it is.
WireGuard is up and running. Let's try to connect to it.
I'll first show you how I will connect my phone to WireGuard VPN, and then I will show you how to connect my laptop. So I'll return back to Home Assistant and I'll go to File Editor. Actually, I'll go to Supervisor, then on File Editor, and I have to change the configuration a bit. Where is the configuration? I will change this parameter to false, and I'll explain you why exactly I'm doing this. I'll try to find this in the documentation. Here it is. If it's true, the access is limited to config directory, and this is why exactly I want to change this, because the QR code that I want to use in order to easily connect my phone to WireGuard is not in this config directory. So I will change this, I will save, and I will restart the file editor integration. Now if I go to file editor and if I click on this button, I can go one level up and I'll search for SSL folder, and inside this SSL folder I will have two more folders, one for phone and one for laptop. If you remember, I created these peers inside my WireGuard configurations. So first I'll go to phone and then I'll click on this PNG file. Now I'll show you my phone. Okay, this is my phone and this is the WireGuard application for iOS. I'll open this and I'll click on Add Tunnel, Create from QR code, and then I will scan this QR code. I'll type some name here, WireGuard, allow, and that's it. This is the client setup of WireGuard.
Whoa! That was ridiculously easy! The only easier thing than this is to smash the like button.
In order to test this, I'll just click on this switch, and as you can see in the upper left corner the VPN is connected and I'll try to open my Home Assistant. It is working. Yes, very good. Let me show you how to disable my Wi-Fi, and everything is still working. Now let's try the desktop version of WireGuard. To show you the macOS version of WireGuard, I'll go back to my file editor and I'll go up one level, and this time I'll open the laptop peer configuration folder, and instead of QR code PNG, I'll open the client.conf and I'll copy everything inside. Then I'll open the WireGuard client and I'll click on Manage Tools. I'll hit the plus button, add empty tunnel, and I'll select everything and paste. Copy text. I'll type a name again here, WireGuard, and I'll click Save. Allow, and that's it. As you can see, all of the configurations are already added, and I can click on Activate. And it's active. Data received, data sent. Very good.
Until now I was using zero-tier and IPSec VPNs, but I recently changed my router and now I have some issues with the IPSec VPN. In this regard, I have a quick question for you. Are you currently using any kind of VPN? If yes, what exactly? Let me know in the comments below. Any sort of engagement on this channel does really help a lot with the YouTube algorithm, so you make sure that you hit the subscribe, like and bell buttons if you enjoyed this video. Also, feel free to add me on Twitter by searching for this username. You can find me on my Discord server as well. Thank you for watching, stay safe, stay at home, and see you next time.